In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change superadmin in Zoho CRM. Before we start, note that only the current superadmin can hand over this role. Make sure the person you plan to assign is an active user in your CRM, not deactivated and not just invited with a pending status. With that in mind, let's walk through the change. First, open Zoho CRM and sign in. If your account spans multiple organizations, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. Next, look to the top right of your CRM screen for the gear icon and click it to open settings. This is where all organization-level controls live, including user management and company information. Inside settings, choose company settings, sometimes labeled company details depending on your edition. This section holds your organization's name, address, locale, and the superadmin designation we're about to change. While you're here, it's a good moment to verify basics like company name, address, and time zone, since these settings influence templates and automation. On the company details page, click the pencil or edit icon. That switches the page into edit mode so you can modify fields that are normally read only. Now, find the field labeled superadmin. Open the user picker and select the person you want to make superadmin. You should only see active users. If the person isn't listed, activate or add them in users, then return and try again. When you've selected the correct user, confirm any prompts and save. A couple of important notes. The transfer is immediate and the new superadmin gains full control over billing, user provisioning, integrations, and security settings. The previous superadmin keeps their existing profile or becomes a regular admin. You may be asked to re-authenticate or both parties may receive an email. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your device handy. If you don't see company settings or the superadmin field, you likely aren't the current superadmin. Contact that person to complete the change. That's it. You've successfully reassigned the superadmin in Zoho CRM, ensuring ownership and governance stay with the right person as your team evolves.